Hi, and thank you so much for watching our video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm President, CEO of EWI Industries. Today's video is a training video. This is part of our Kickstarter package. We provide a nice little production for our clients. This will be live on their website in a week. For this company who's going out, starting a brand new business, to have some type of production like this included in their package and having this on their website for those end users who are soliciting the service, they get a good visual of what this company is going to provide them. It's a great value. When it comes to our Kickstarter, you're going to get the best pricing for your equipment, the best support, but more so the credibility and the reference of EcoWash Industries. We are a company who's in this business of solid waste container cleaning. We're only teaching you what we've done in this industry for the past 3 years. When you're starting a new business, what better more than working with a company who's already proven the concept, who is the only company out there who's manufacturing and selling trucks who have done the service that you're looking to be part of. So if you're thinking about doing this business and you're wanting to learn more, give us a call anytime, 480-789-0931, or visit ecowashindustries.com for more details. I'd love to hear from you and share with you, again, what has worked for us in the past and what hasn't. And remember, this isn't a franchise. This is your own business. We help our customers, again, understand how to scale up their business, understand a more commercial approach in building the business. And that's how we actually got, on this commercial side in developing the dumpster maintenance truck. This is a hybrid. We call it the 2-in-1 hybrid EcoWash system. Again, you're washing dumpsters and residential bins all on one system, not leaving you limited when you're starting this business. Feel free to call us 7 days a week. Our offices are open, 480-789-0931. Again, my name is Greg Aganowski. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make it a great day.